In this video, we do a burnout with the RC Dodge Hellcat. I hope he has car insurance. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, in this video we're going to be doing a flaming burnout in the RC Burnout car. So this is a custom built project. I'm going to put a link to this up here, but it's got line lock, it's rear wheel drive, loads of power, and it's just going to rip these tyres to shreds. Batteries are charged, 2 3S lipos, 6S, oh dear. Alright, so there we go, it moves, and then we put on the line lock. Keep going, eh? Oh, look at the body!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh, damn it, one car.
Oh, look at the state of that! Oh, that body's at it, guys. Oh, look, the lipos. We've got meltage going on the Gens Ace. Oh. Everything else is fine. Yeah, we're good. We're good, dude. Everything's good. Line lock turbo works. Steering works. Yes, we're all good. Subscribe.